Well, since building my gaming PC last summer, I've actually upgraded a couple of parts over the past few months, but one thing I've always really wanted for aesthetics is a vertical GPU mount. Now, there's a few kinds out there, but most of them don't jive well with most micro ATX cases. There's one from Cooler Master, but that pretty much requires you to modify your case by cutting out the expansion slot crossbars, basically destroying its resale value, and really only works with cases that have at least 6 expansion slots. Cable Mod, in my opinion, has a much better mount that doesn't require any case modifications, but it's pretty wide in terms of depth. So if you're using a micro ATX case like mine, which is the Fantex Evolve mATX, the motherboard gets in the way of the expansion slot plate. It's also the most expensive kit on the market, but it does come with literally everything you need. Then there's the one I found after an unhealthy, obsessive hunt for something that'll work with my case. This is, in my opinion, hands down the best vertical GPU mount on the market. Its footprint is narrow, so you don't have to worry about trying to fit the expansion slot plate beside the motherboard, and it's only got 4 elongated mounting holes, which is perfect for micro ATX cases, but I haven't tried it with 3 slot cards, so I'm not too sure how that'd go. It also comes with various mounting screws depending on what you need, as well as some stability mounts in case you've got one huge bitch of a GPU and find that it sags a bit, even if it's in the vertical mount made from steel. I could have ordered it with a PCI riser cable, but I wanted to play it safe seeing as it was coming directly from China because it was out of stock on Amazon at the time, so I ended up ordering a high quality, well-reviewed riser cable from Amazon separately, which was only like $30, I think. They're probably all the same, but whatever. And I went with a 20 centimeter long cable for some insanely stupid reason when I really should have ordered the 10 centimeter cable, but I can always fix that later. Anyways, not only is this the best, most versatile vertical GPU mount on the market, in my opinion, it's also the cheapest at only $30 from China or $40 on Amazon now that it's back in stock. And just like the Cable Mod mount, because it spaces your GPU's ports far enough away from the expansion slots, all you have to do is slide in your cable through the slots horizontally, twist, and then plug it in vertically. Beautiful. So it's in there, it's vertical, it works, and looks awesome. But awesome doesn't cut it if it's burning up my GPU temps, cutting into my boost clocks. So how does it affect thermals? It doesn't, like, at all. In fact, if anything, it's dropped by maybe 1 or 2 degrees, but that could easily just be due to ambient room temperature changes. And that's all thanks to the fact that the GPU is sitting just over 3 inches away from the glass instead of like a lot of other vertical GPU implementations that smash it up against the glass like a 15-year-old kid hiding inside a locker in the girls' change room. Pervert. Anyways, you can pick this guy up for $40 on Amazon under the brand name Caselin, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it comes with a 20 centimeter riser cable. You can also get them on AliExpress with no brand name, which is where I ordered mine from because they were out of stock on Amazon, like I mentioned. And you can also order them with or without the riser cable and with different cable length too, again on AliExpress only. I'll put some links in the description in case you wanted to order one up for yourself, but I think that does it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about vertical GPU mounting. Like, do you use those extra PCIe slots or not? And if you don't, does this mount make you want to go vertical now? Drop me a comment and let me know. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, show me some love with that like button, and if you're new to my stuff, don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. But thanks as always for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Cheers.